Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will show you a collection of the ideas of turning raw wood into high-profit eco-masterpieces, from logs to luxury. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Wooden log projects are more than a creative pursuit. They are a celebration of nature's strength, beauty, and endurance, transformed into art that enriches both homes and lives. In today's evolving world of design and entrepreneurship, these projects represent a powerful fusion of craftsmanship, sustainability, and profitability. The allure of working with wooden logs lies in their raw, organic elegance. Every log carries the story of time, its rings marking decades of growth, its texture shaped by wind, rain, and sun. When transformed into furniture or decor, those natural qualities bring an unmatched authenticity into any space. What was once simply a fallen tree or a discarded trunk can become a statement of timeless beauty, embodying both luxury and conscience. Wooden log projects are not just about crafting physical pieces. They are about creating meaningful, sustainable luxury that stands the test of time, blending rustic simplicity with modern sophistication, artistry with responsibility, and tradition with innovation. In an era where the world is turning towards sustainability and conscious consumption, wooden log projects have become a cornerstone of eco-friendly design. Unlike synthetic or mass-produced materials, logs remind us of our connection to nature. They ground us, both literally and emotionally. Each piece crafted from a log preserves the essence of the forest, turning natural imperfection into visual poetry. Knots, cracks, and irregular grains are not flaws but fingerprints of authenticity, giving every creation a soul of its own. When artisans or entrepreneurs choose to work with logs, whether freshly cut or reclaimed, they are embracing a philosophy of respect and renewal. They give new purpose to what might otherwise decay or be discarded, celebrating sustainability through creativity. This transformation, of raw timber into refined art, represents not only environmental mindfulness, but also a vision of design that values character and permanence over uniformity and excess. From a design perspective, wooden log projects embody the beauty of contrast. They bridge the past and the present, the natural and the man-made. A coffee table carved from a solid log, for example, might anchor a sleek modern living room with a sense of organic warmth. A hand-shaped bench or a log-turned lamp base can introduce texture and emotion into minimalist interiors. The aesthetic appeal lies in the balance, the interplay of raw material and refined craftsmanship. It is this harmony that defines sustainable luxury, pieces that feel at once timeless and contemporary, grounded yet sophisticated. The versatility of logs allows creators to experiment endlessly, whether through sculptural art pieces, functional furniture, or architectural elements like mantels, beams, or stair treads. Each log presents new creative opportunities, and no two are ever alike. This individuality has immense appeal in a world hungry for authenticity and personal expression. For entrepreneurs, the rise of wooden log projects represents not only an artistic revolution, but also a lucrative business opportunity. The demand for handcrafted, sustainable, and natural products continues to grow rapidly. Homeowners and interior designers alike are seeking pieces that embody craftsmanship and conscience, furniture and decor that tell stories and last generations. Wooden log creations fit perfectly into this market. They are both practical and symbolic, merging functionality with deep emotional resonance. A well-crafted log dining table or custom bench can command premium prices, not only because of the quality of the material, but because of the narrative attached to it, the story of transformation, sustainability, and artistry. When presented with intention and storytelling, these pieces become more than furniture. They become heirlooms of purpose, bridging the values of environmental awareness and aesthetic excellence. The profitability of wooden log projects also lies in their flexibility and accessibility. Whether one is a skilled woodworker with a professional workshop or a creative entrepreneur starting small, logs offer endless possibilities for scaling. Simple items such as candle holders, stools, or rustic shelves can serve as entry points, while larger, intricate designs like tables or outdoor furniture can elevate a brand into the realm of bespoke craftsmanship. Each creation, no matter its size, carries the same promise: the union of nature and design, of authenticity and intention. Entrepreneurs who position their work within this narrative, highlighting sustainability, handmade quality, and emotional value, can build a loyal customer base that sees beyond the product to the philosophy it represents. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The modern consumer no longer wants disposable furniture. They want pieces that align with their values, enrich their spaces, and stand the test of time. Wooden log projects deliver exactly that, offering both creative fulfillment and financial reward. Beyond the financial aspect, working with logs provides an irreplaceable sense of purpose. The process itself, cutting, shaping, sanding, and finishing, connects the maker to the primal rhythm of craftsmanship. It is a tactile dialogue between human hands and natural form. Each decision, from how much bark to leave on to how to preserve a particular grain, becomes an act of mindfulness. The aesthetic longevity of wooden log creations is another aspect that ensures their continued significance in modern design. Trends come and go, but natural materials remain timeless. A well-crafted log table can seamlessly fit into a rustic cabin, a minimalist apartment, or a contemporary office. Its presence transcends style boundaries because it draws on something universal: the innate human attraction to nature. The organic lines, earthy tones, and tactile surfaces of logs evoke calm and comfort, grounding modern living spaces in natural balance. This enduring relevance ensures that wooden log projects will remain in demand long after fleeting design trends fade. They represent a kind of sustainable permanence, furniture and art that grow more beautiful with time, rather than being replaced or forgotten. A home filled with handmade, sustainable pieces crafted from natural materials feels richer than one filled with impersonal, mass-produced decor. It speaks of discernment, mindfulness, and a deeper appreciation for beauty that comes from authenticity. Wooden log projects embody this ideal perfectly. Each log transformed into art or furniture is a small act of balance, a union between the comfort of modern living and the wisdom of the earth. This approach to design uplifts not only the maker and the buyer, but also the planet itself, as it champions reuse, respect, and regeneration. For those who step into this field as entrepreneurs, the opportunity extends beyond product creation. It's a chance to shape a brand that reflects values of sustainability, creativity, and craftsmanship. It's about building a legacy where each design carries meaning, and every sale represents not just profit, but progress toward a more mindful way of living. In every polished surface and preserved grain, there is a message that beauty endures when it is rooted in purpose. As more makers, designers, and entrepreneurs embrace this philosophy, wooden logs once destined for decay become symbols of transformation. They stand as proof that meaningful, sustainable luxury is not only possible but profitable, and that through thoughtful creation, we can build homes, businesses, and a future that truly stand the test of time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked high-profit eco-masterpieces from logs to luxury. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos.